Welcome to Session 14, Order of Operations and Calculator Entry. An expression is a set of instructions. You will simplify grouping symbols and exponents first, process multiplication and division from left to right, process addition and subtraction from left to right, and use parentheses so a calculator receives the intended structure. First, simplify grouping symbols, exponents, and roots. Next, perform multiplication and division from left to right because they have equal priority. Finally, perform addition and subtraction from left to right because they also have equal priority. The order is based on operation level, not on whichever symbol appears most familiar. Evaluate 18 minus 3 times 4 plus 10 divided by 2. Compute 3 times 4, which is 12, and 10 divided by 2, which is 5. The expression becomes 18 minus 12 plus 5. Process from left to right, 6 plus 5 equals 11. Evaluate 2 cubed plus 4 times the quantity 5 minus 2. Simplify the parentheses first. 5 minus 2 is 3. Evaluate 2 cubed as 8. Multiply 4 by 3 to get 12, then add 8 and 12. The final value is 20. If a is negative 2, evaluate 3a squared minus 5. Substitute negative 2 inside parentheses. The square of negative 2 is positive 4. Multiply by 3 to get 12, then subtract 5. The result is 7. Parentheses show that the negative sign belongs to the base. For a grouped fraction, enter parentheses around the complete numerator and complete denominator. The fraction 18 plus 6 over 3 plus 1 should be entered as open parenthesis 18 plus 6, close parenthesis, divided by open parenthesis 3 plus 1, close parenthesis. The result is 6, matching the estimate 24 divided by 4. Checkpoint. Evaluate 24 divided by 6 times 2 plus 3. Division and multiplication have equal priority, so work left to right. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Add 3 to obtain 11. Choice C is correct. Mark grouping symbols, simplify one group or power at a time, process equal priority operations from left to right, and use parentheses around negative substitutions and grouped calculator entries. Estimate and re-enter complex expressions when possible. Continue learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com.